Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my DIY TCA cross and peel using 50% solution. Alright, so let's get started. So I'll be showing you the things that I'll be using for this treatment. Alright, so first of course the TCA solution, which is from chemistry, and then surgical gloves and isopropyl alcohol, which is 70% solution, and then cotton pads, yes, and also toothpick for my applicator and shot glass for my container, and also syringe. So first I'll be disinfecting my face or my skin with an alcohol. Yeah, so I know that alcohol is not good for our skin, but don't worry, it is normal for the procedure to use an alcohol just to make sure that our skin is clean and disinfected and also it is dry before the procedure. Alright, so here I will just transfer a small amount of solution in the shot glass. And I will just also clean this spilled solution around the shot glass just for safety. Alright, and then you just need to, dip the toothpick in the solution and then apply it on your skin or on the scars. To apply the solution on your scars, just gently press the toothpick on your skin and you may twist or rotate it gently to make sure that you are really applying the solution inside your scars. Also, make sure that you are only applying the solution inside the scars to avoid widening and further damage on your skin. By the way, everyone, so this is the part 1, which is also stated in the title of this video, of course. So this video is only for the procedure, and the part 2 video is my aftercare products after the treatment, of course. So if you want to know my aftercare routine, you may watch the part 2 video. Also, if you have any questions about the TCA treatment and microneedling treatment, you can leave it in the comment section and I will gather all of your questions and I will answer it in my Q&A video. Yes, so I am planning to create a Q&A for my next content since I am receiving a lot of questions and sometimes I can't answer them immediately because I also have, my personal life. Yes. So yeah, so just leave your questions in the comment section. Alright, so I will just leave you for now and please continue watching the TCA cross procedure and I'll get back to you for my next treatment, which is TCA peel. So yes, I will do it at the same time. So yeah, enjoy watching. Alright, so here I am done with the TCA cross procedure and I just finished everything off cam and here's my skin look after the procedure. And then for the next treatment, which is TCA peel, I will just get the remaining solution in the shot glass using the syringe and I will also get some amount in the bottle to add more because I will need 1.5 ml of TCA solution and 1.5 ml of water for my TCA peel treatment. Alright, so here I am transferring the TCA solution in a small beaker or container and another one for the water. Yes. And then after, I will just make sure that the water and the solution is well mixed together and I will use a cotton pad for my applicator. So make sure that the whole pad is wet and not dry before applying the solution on your skin and also make sure that the solution is not dripping. And to properly apply the solution on your skin, just apply it in one direction once every area until you have applied the solution on your whole face. Then wait at least 5 minutes for the next application or layer of the solution. Alright, so here after applying the first layer on my whole face, honestly, I can't feel anything. There's no frosting and even tingling sensation. And that's the reason why during my second and third application, I applied the solution like I am only using or applying a toner on my face, as you can see in the video. And I am not advising you to do the same, especially if you're a beginner, to avoid problems on your skin, because in my case, I've been doing it for 2 years and I'm okay, so don't worry. Alright, so after applying the second layer, there's a bit tingling sensation, and I will just wait another 5 minutes before applying the third and the last layer. Alright, so here as you can see, I am rubbing the pad on my skin, which is again, I am not advising you to do the same. I only did this because for me the pain is not enough, and also my skin is not even turning red. So yeah, I decided to put more trauma on my skin because yes, more trauma, more fun. Char. And by the way, everyone, I would like to thank all of my followers and subscribers. We are now growing. I literally started 0 subscriber in YouTube, and now we are 1,274. And in TikTok, we are 4,273, which are a lot of people already who are supporting me. And I'm so grateful and thankful for all of you guys. And I am also sorry that this past few years I am not super active. Alright, so yeah, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye!